Basil, sweet basil.น้ำใส1 ปีน้ำตกแล้วก็ใส่ทุกอย่างแล้วก็หมูสเต๊ะด้วยหมูสเต๊ะนะกี่ชิ้นหมูสเต๊ะกี่ชิ้น
10 ไม้
อะไรนะ
10 ไม้
10 ไม้ใช่ไหมแล้วก็อะไรนะเครื่องดื่มมีใช่ไหมครับ
มีเป็นไทยพิชชั่นชุดละ70 บาท
อะไรนะ
ไทยพิชชั่นชุดละ70 บาท
อันนี้ใช่ไหม
ใช่
คนละ70 บาทที่หมูสเต๊ะใช่ไหมโอเคไม่เป็นไรแล้วก็ชาเป็นเครื่องดื่มเป็นชาเย็นนะมีไหมครับ
ชาเย็นไม่มีครับ
ทำไมไม่
มีแต่กระจิกกับแก้คนชาดำโอเลี้ยง
Biju mo si ate dinอะไรนะ
มีกระจิกแก้คนชาดำโอเลี้ยงนะ
อ๋อไม่มีชาเย็นนะชีชาดำไหมหลักเดียวชาดำก็ได้ชาดำ2 ทีนะแล้วก็ข้าวสวยข้าวเปล่า1 จานโอเคนะเข้าใจไหม
เอามูสเต๊ะไหม
อะไรนะ
มูสเต๊ะไม่เอาใช่ไหม
เอามูสเต๊ะ1 จานได้ไหมโอเคนะ
ไม่ได้ค่ะ
โอเคนะขอบคุณครับkung paano kumain ng Thai noodle guys. Yan.
With side dish.
White Yao noodle. So lalagyan natin ng mga kung anong anik-anik na dahon. Kakainin natin to guys. Basil leaf, very healthy. Sama natin yan. Basil yan. Tapos, ano siya, bean sprout. Bean sprout. Damihan natin ng Thai leaf, guys. Yan. Anak, try mo yan. Then, haluin. Haluin natin guys, ayan siya. Yan. So ganito ang pagkain ng Thai noodle dito sa Thailand. Usually nilalagyan talaga siya ng mga Thai leaf. Very healthy guys. Yan.
So yan yung side dish nila, no?
Yes. Yan. So kainin na natin guys. Basil, sweet basil. Sarap. Guys, favorite ko to. White Yao noodle. Huwag niyong kalimutan i-try ito pag nasa Thailand kayo guys. Lagyan niyo ng maraming dahon.
Saan yung located nito?
Dito sa malapit sa Wat Chalong. Bali yung name ng Thai restaurant na to is White Yao Sri Paya. Yan, ipakita ko sa inyo. Ayan, Anakshi. Yan. Mahaba-habang kwento kung paano ko na-meet si Anakshi. It's a very long story, Anakshi. Ilang taon na? How many years?
10 years. More than 10 years.
Yan. Yan. Nakita ko sa inyo. Kain tayo ng maraming dahon. Ayan. Ayan guys. Dahon. Bean sprout. Tayo na ang ano mo, no? Mudra mo. Sarap.
Puro dahon?
So guys, don't forget na lagyan ng Thai leaf. pag kumain tayo ng Thai noodle. Guys, dito sa restaurant na to, halos lahat siya. Ang mga customer, mga locals, Thai locals. So, wag lang kayo maihiyang pumasok. Sarap. Pinakabuburito ko talaga ang Thai food, anak ko eh. Sabi ko sa'yo. Agree? Thai food is the best food in the world. It is. Aroy mak. Guys, please don't forget to support my travel page dito sa Thailand, dito sa Phuket. Juice Travel. Sarap. Meron ta guys, pork satay. Ito naman ang pork satay. Pinaka-popular dito sa Thailand, Mu satay. Mu is pork. Very soft siya. And then may sausawan. Sausawan siya guys. Medyo maasim-asim. Cucumber. And then peanut sauce. Yan. Yan. Peanut sauce. Try na natin. Sausaw natin sa yan. Isa ito sa may bibili nyo na Thai food dito sa mismong Thai restaurant na to, aside from white tail noodle, right? And then we have also cha dam, black tea, Thai black tea. Yeah. 25 baht. Sarap. Black tea. Pork satay. Please guys, supportan nyo naman ang aking travel page dito sa Thailand. For those who are planning to go to Phuket, yung destination nila ang Thailand, pwede nyong bisitahin ng Phuket. And then, you can check my Facebook page because I'm sharing my experience dito sa Thailand. How many years na siya? Almost 11 years? Something like that. Mga almost 12 years, yeah. Huwag niyo kalimutang suportahan ang aking travel page, guys. Parang awan nyo na. Sarap. Pork satay. Anak, what can you say about the noodle and pork? Mike? Anak, Mike? Sarap daw. Okay guys, that's the end of my mini vlog for today. Bye!